Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Just few minutes before, I was conducting interview. Exactly not an interview. We were just talking about with each other, and we got an introduction about the Rahman Tariq. He's a remain really a amazing personality. Today my topic is YouTube is a time waster. I just received. I want to discuss this topic because why I'm saying like this. Actually, I am not saying like this. Someone sent me one messenger message that please ask to Mr. Rehan Allahwala. YouTube is a time waster, so why we will use this YouTube? So I already replied to her about this question, but I want to explain you on this live video also. So another other people who have the same opinion and same thing with you and same problem with you, so they can also understand. So when she was asked me about this question, so I simply replied, here, listen, I cannot answer, sorry, I cannot ask to Mr. Rehan Allahwala about this simply because I believe if anyone want to do something, whether it is YouTube, online, physical learning, your professional life, your personal life, anything, he can do anything. But the what the things he should take care about the will to do that job, and he should give uh, quality content. He should sincere about his work. He should persistence about his work, because so many people who using YouTube uh, and YouTube, this the YouTube banned all these persons or channels just because they using copyright content on their channel, and YouTube clearly mention his terms and conditions that do not use copyright materials, otherwise you will be banned or any strict action can be taken against you. So however, people is still going to use this YouTube and copyright material consistently, and they were banned so many times. Few of my friends also banned due to this the same reason, due to only the same reason. What I suggest them, that if we will not give copyright material, we will not copy paste the videos. So what we will do? My simple answer to that, it is very easy to run a YouTube channel. Just give your original content, make your own content, put quality, put some good things for the people, which is helpful for the people. Give them some solutions, right? For example, she last channel she made about the hairstyling, and he downloads a few editing and upload again on channel. So what happened? It was banned. So I suggest her that you should learn something from them in your own words and make audio recording, and use you can use PowerPoint and write the content there in Urdu, because she was a Urdu user, so she can write content in Urdu and give by his voice in Urdu. I think this is good. I give this one suggestion, and there is so many other suggestions are available. You can simply search on YouTube and Google. They can advise you a lot of things because they are the masters of their. Google is the master in education. You no need to go any institute and any other thing. You just Google or YouTube. You will find everything. This is only the one suggestion what I given to her, but the other things we can do, we can buy some digest regarding if we interested in sports, so we buy a sports magazine and take stories from there and made your own videos. If you have if you are a girl and you are fear to come on camera, you can veil your, you can come by veil, or you can just put your voice, or if you are a man you can easily come, no problem brother. So this is the only way, this is the one way what I know. If And what other thing we can do, we can make videos same thing like me, what I was making videos like this, or I am conducting interviews and uploading on YouTube in the same way. Or I need some changes of video quality is low, my content quality is low, content is okay, but the quality what we need for YouTube standards is very low, because nobody want to watch you until unless you give a good quality. So you need to put good quality. I am working on it. I am working on YouTube also, and I am day by day I am improving. One day I hope my YouTube channel also will be the number one. And I am or if you know anything good, please share your comments so I can explain anyone who always ask me questions regarding this. Thank you so much. Or if anyone want to talk to me right now, I can invite him or her on my live broadcast, and we can share points with each other. If anyone is interested, give me your message. I will give link and we will join. You have only 10 seconds for this. After 10 seconds, this opportunity will be collapsed. So this is special video I make in English only for those my friends who can understand only English. So I hope my English is pretty good. You can understand what I want to say. And any my friend YouTube expert, please contact me, or I will give her your contact so you can teach him, mentor him, and guide him. So first message I have Ahmad Afzal. Hello. Ahmad, if you want to come live, we can talk about, if you give some advice regarding this, if you have any idea, we can talk. Anyone else who is live currently and who is a YouTuber and expert in YouTube and can advise something good, always be welcome. So anybody here? Nobody yet. Okay, that's all. I'm going to again broadcast and speak everything in Urdu so my Urdu friends can understand. And this Ahmad Arabi, this is special for you, brother. This video is special for you in English so you can understand. Okay, bye bye. See you. Take care. Always learn, teach, and learn. Thank you so much. Bye bye.